Fiery Sichuan Rabbit. A delicious Chinese, Sichuan, main course recipe. This recipe serves 4 servings. Preparation takes about 30 minutes. And cooking takes around 40 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 2 pounds whole rabbit, 2 tablespoons Shaoxing rice wine, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, a half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1 cup dried Urjingshao chilies, 2 tablespoons Sichuan peppercorns, 2-inch piece ginger, 8 cloves garlic, 2 tablespoons Pixian broad bean paste. Step 1. Place the chopped rabbit pieces in a large bowl. Add the Shaoxing wine, light soy sauce, salt, and cornstarch. Mix thoroughly by hand and let marinate for at least 20 minutes to tenderize the meat. Step 2. Rinse the dried chilies quickly under cold water and pat dry, and this prevents them from burning too quickly in the hot oil. Set aside with the Sichuan peppercorns. Step 3. Heat the vegetable oil in a wok or deep heavy-bottomed pan over high heat until it reaches approximately 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Step 4. Carefully add the marinated rabbit pieces to the oil. Flash fry for 3 to 5 minutes until the edges are golden brown and the meat is firm. Use a slotted spoon to remove the rabbit and set aside. Step 5. Pour out most of the oil, leaving about a half cup in the wok. Reduce the heat to medium-low. Step 6. Add the ginger slices, smashed garlic, star anise, and cinnamon stick. Fry for 1 minute until fragrant. Step 7. Add the minced Pixian doubanjiang. Stir-fry constantly for 2 to 3 minutes until the oil turns a bright, translucent red and the raw smell of the beans disappears. Step 8. Add the dried chilies and Sichuan peppercorns to the wok. Continue to fry on low heat for another 2 minutes, being careful not to blacken the chilies. Step 9. Return the fried rabbit pieces to the wok. Toss well to coat every piece of meat in the spicy aromatic oil. Step 10. Add the sugar and chicken bouillon powder, if using. Stir-fry for another 5 to 8 minutes on medium heat, allowing the rabbit to absorb the flavors of the spices. The meat should become slightly chewy and deeply infused with the oil. Step 11. Taste a small piece of meat. If it needs more salt, add a pinch of light soy sauce. Turn off the heat. Step 12. Transfer the rabbit and all the aromatic oil to a serving platter. Garnish generously with toasted sesame seeds and fresh cilantro. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.